We're back again, and as you can see, I've been on a little bit. I've actually got these two bits together, smoothed out on as well, and the cap on, and you can see it's quite a good join. I did do a bit of fettling to get it to fit really smooth, and I've done it. I've had to re-scribed. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Rescribe this bit here. I think you can see, just about see it as I move it around. So rescribe that on all the way around using my this razor saw, just going around and smooth it out, and just basically the main bit where you sand both sides and then go around. I've got to touch up this detail. See, it's not a very good plan. You can see a circle there, and you might be able to see. No, I can't. But anyway, there is a circle there, which you will see when it's painted. And I've got some circle templates, and I'm just going to fill in, rescribe one of them. I don't think it's this one. This one seems to be okay. I think it's on this one because this one's been done as well. And oh, there it is. Actually, that's not too bad either, really. No, I think I won't have to touch those. No, I think that's no. They're both okay. But you've got the ones to put in here. Now I've actually got those cut and cleaned up in here. There you can see, cut and cleaned up, and these are the caps for the front of the torpedoes. And I've actually cleaned up all the fins. I've cleaned up the heads as well, so they are done and test fitted. And as you can see, a nice fit. I cleaned them up. That was good, and I'll just prove it works on the other one as well. I suppose. Then they can go on anyone anyway, but you can see what I mean. Looks really nice. So my next job now, because I've cleaned up all these bits, the extra thing, number 7, which is let's zoom in a bit so you can see the actual instructions, or destructions, I like to call them. Here we go. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong bit. There you go. Right, and actually these are the fins, and I've got to move this now, haven't I? To there. So you can see, but this is where it's got to be done. Just only got the 4 for each one. I've cleaned them all up and basically checked the holes, and they should be okay. I'm going to put these in on last, most probably, because I'm going to actually do the fins at the back. But then no, I can put these on because they've got to be the same colour. So I'm going to be doing that now, putting 1 or 2 on, and then after that I'll switch off and come back. I don't know if I can get it in shot. Yeah, there's the holes, you can see. So what I'm going to do is get my extra fin, which would be over there. I might zoom out a fraction because I've got to keep looking up otherwise. Here it is. That'll do. I think it'll be okay. You can see what I'm doing here, hopefully. No, my luck, my hand will be in the way because the camera's over this way, but you'll get the basic idea. So what I'm going to do, if I use a pair of pinchers, that might help. No, them ones, not them ones, not them ones. Cool. Where's the ones you want? You never find the ones you want when you want them. Oh, got them. Tell me ones. There they go. Right, so I can put this on there. There you go. It's on there. Sorry. There we go. What I'm going to do now is hold it upside because the glue don't want to go in the details. Just go here, here, and a little bit along there, as you've just seen. Get the torpedo. Doesn't matter where I start. 2 holes there. Oops, wrong way round. Let's come in here now to show. I think you can see it. Yeah, you can sort of see it. 2 holes, and push them. I think the glue's evaporated because it does. You've got to be really quick. And I must admit, Ron's right, when you're basically trying to do something on camera, you bet in bottom dollar it's going to go wrong. There we go. So I'm going to do this again. What I'll do is just do that on those bits, and then get it on, and then re-glue a bit afterwards. So here we go. Got a bit back right round again, and here we go. I need to be where the holes are. There you go. That's more purchase, as it were. No. that hole needs to be a bit deeper, so I've got to get a mandrel, which is here. Get a small saw blade. I've got some Proxon ones here, so I'm going to come out slightly. That'll do. Right, here we go. So I can see more of the bench anyway, so right, I've got to get a drill now that's the same size as the holes in this torpedo. And I always put the back end of it in first. There you go, that'd be enough. So if I put this one in, there you go, and I'm going to come in with my drill and re-drill that hole there. The other one went in. I think that's okay. I'm going to drill the other ones, and it's the ones that here, I think. That one's okay. I think the rest are all okay. Right. Let's do a test fit. Where's my pinchers? There it is there. Go near the point. And basically coming from this angle, I think you can see it better. This is the one I had problems with. And yep, that goes in quite well. Not quite well actually, so I might have to go further with all of them. I'll rather it go in because I could. That one's quite deep. Yeah, that's it. Right, here we go then. Let's start again. This time then. I might use the other one actually. These are the ones I bent, like you can see, but I've got another pair like them, so for bending properly. And there's you get more purchase on this one because you've got my other bit there. So I'm going to do this now. Sorry, back out of the sight again, and come in quickly with this onto this one. There you go. Just hold it for a little while. Yep, that's gone in, as you can see. There you go. Now I'm going to run a bit of glue down here because it's very thin, but I'm going to make sure I run it down smoothly. I'm going to hold it like this. Don't want too much, just a little bit, all the way down. And a little bit down this side. And make sure she's nice and straight. And she doesn't look too bad. There you go, that's one. I can just bend them slightly into shape later on with a bit of liquid glue. Right, I need something to put it in now. And I've got a feeling I know what it's going to be. The old watchmaker's ice. Bit of tissue, I think. I've got some somewhere. Hold on, oh, this I have here, just a bit here. This is just purely to act as a bit of a cushion. So there you go. So if I come up this way and just, that's it, stay. So that's now pretty much okay. Yep. Now we've got to do another one. Move that up there. These bits up here, they've been cleaned up as well, as I said earlier. So do that. I'll put another one, and then basically I'll switch off and finish this particular task up. And yeah, there it is. So my favourite way of doing the glue is from underneath, really, because it doesn't. It just stays down the bottom a bit. There you go. Right, here we go. I'm going to do this onto another one now. So that's the trouble now, because the cameras. If I was to put the camera on the other side, I should do. Here we go. It evaporates very quickly, but it's good glue when you get it on there. So I'm just going to do what I did last time, just the 2 bits there, and come straight in. No mucking about. There you go. Take that out now because I can. And that ain't bad at all. That's gone in quite nicely. So now I'm going to run my fin glue down again by doing this, because if I do it downwards, and there you go. Sorry, I'm looking at it for myself and forgetting about the camera. So there you go. That's 2 more. So I'm going to switch off now, and we'll come back when I've done both torpedoes with the tail ends, like it is now. So you can see